Today, we're diving into one of the most debated topics in the streaming world, OBS Studio versus Streamlabs OBS. It's time to level up. Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Stream Elements, your go-to channel for all things content creation. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for future video updates. In this video, we will quickly sum up the pros, cons, and comparisons between OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS to help support you in your streaming journey. So which one should you choose for your streaming setup? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about OBS Studio. Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, is the original open source software for video recording and live streaming. It's known for its versatility and extensive customization options. OBS Studio offers a range of features like multiple scenes, various source types, and advanced audio mixing. It's lightweight, meaning it doesn't take up much of your computer's resources, which is crucial for high-quality streaming. Plus, it's free and supported by a massive community of developers and users who contribute plugins and updates regularly. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Streamlabs OBS, also known as SLOBS. Streamlabs OBS is built on the same foundation as OBS Studio, but comes with some additional bells and whistles aimed at making the streaming experience more user-friendly. Streamlabs OBS integrates seamlessly with the Streamlabs ecosystem, offering built-in alerts, overlays, and widgets. It also provides an intuitive dashboard where you can manage donations, merch, and more directly from the software. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for beginners to get started without a steep learning curve. So which one is right for you? It depends on your needs and preferences as a streamer. So let's break it down. OBS Studio. Pros: highly customizable, lightweight, extensive plugin support, open source, and free. Cons: steeper learning curve, less integrated features. Streamlabs OBS. Pros: user-friendly, integrated with Streamlabs services, built-in alerts and overlays, quick setup. Cons: more resource-intensive, less customizable, occasional bugs. If you're a beginner or looking for a one-stop shop with all essential streaming tools built in, Streamlabs OBS might be the way to go. Its user-friendly interface and integrated features make it easy to get started and manage your stream. However, if you're an experienced streamer who loves to tinker and customize every aspect of your setup, OBS Studio is likely the better choice. Its lightweight nature and extensive plugin support give you the flexibility to create a truly unique streaming experience. In the end, the choice between OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS comes down to your personal preferences and streaming needs. Both are excellent tools with their own strengths and weaknesses. And that's a wrap for today's comparison. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Full Stream Elements for more tips and tricks to level up your content creation game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and stay awesome.